Most traditional strength training programs are designed around body part training. So that might be doing chest and triceps together, or it might be doing lower body and upper body together on one day and then core training the next day, or something like that. Now, there's nothing wrong with that style of training, but I prefer to look at training through movement patterns or through movements instead. So what I mean by that is that we focus on doing the movement. So instead of doing a chest and a tricep day, we would do a horizontal pushing day, okay? Or instead of doing a lower body leg day, we might do a big leg day or a posterior chain day where we're doing just pulling exercises for our lower body. And by focusing on movement patterns and doing the exercises properly, that allows us to build a really strong foundation, not only of strength, but also doing the exercises properly, so that when we do get into lifting heavier weights, or if you do decide to switch to doing body part training instead, you have that good, strong foundation that is going to decrease your chance of becoming injured and help you stay a little bit more functional as you get stronger. Learning all the movement patterns is going to be really important, but most people have a tendency to have underdeveloped posterior chain movement patterns. So what I mean by that is the muscles that go along their back, or the muscles that are involved for movement in their upper back, their glutes, and their hamstrings tend to be a lot weaker than their chest and their quads, or basically the front parts of their body. So as you're going through this, as you're going through all these movement patterns, I want you to pay special attention to the pulling movement pattern, the hinge movement pattern, the glute activation, and the shoulder stabilization exercises that you can do, because that is where most people need the most amount of work.